I'm going to show you various features related to InstaBACK. InstaBACK is a unique cashback system for quick rewards. So there are some campaigns where there is no return option, such as software antivirus download or some games, or uh, some subscription purchases where you have to just install that app, or you have to just make that one-time purchase and you will earn the cashback. Now there are a lot of affiliate marketeers who want to promote this kind of offers. They do not necessarily require a comprehensive coupon cashback system, so they want a very handy and unique system. So with this InstaBACK, Permitted and EnactOn team has come up with a unique software. Okay, so I will show you overview about it, and then I will deep dive into what all options are available for you to configure. So there is this home page where you can promote about your YouTube channel or your social media handle or your Telegram or WhatsApp channel. Okay, so people can click here and directly join your team or like your Facebook page and so on and so forth. There is email address here from where they can contact you if at all they have any question. And then there are special offer pages like this. So the entire content on this page is dynamic from the admin panel. I will take you through all the options available in admin panel also, but let's look at what all options are available here. So just like I said, this is not a very comprehensive coupon cashback system. Here user need not be registered with your system. Just enter the Paytm registered mobile number, okay, here, and click on submit, and the user will be taken to campaign from campaign tracking platform to merchant page, and that's where the transaction will end. So अगर वो ऐप इंस्टॉल का कैंपेन होगा तो वो यूज़र ऐप इंस्टॉल करेगा तो ऑटोमेटिक वो ट्रैकिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, वो एडमिटेड हो या ऑप्टिमाइज हो या भी कमीशन हो, वहाँ पे हो जाएगा, और फिर आप वहाँ से वो यूज़र्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको आप डायरेक्टली पेटीएम जो भी उनका आपने प्रॉमिस किया होगा अमाउंट वो पेटीएम ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो ये ओवरऑल कॉन्सेप्ट है इसका. नेक्स्ट जो मैं अभी आपको बताने वाला हूँ वो कि ये सिस्टम कैसे चलता है, उसका डिटेल वीडियो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ. थैंक यू.